Hey, beautiful people. I want to come on here and show you all how you can find the best credit card for you. This is on my website, Rickita.com. I put together all of these different credit cards, all of the different credit cards that's out there. So if you were to scroll down, you'll see I have all these different lists to talk about so many different credit cards, okay? There's so many different credit cards that's on this list. Now, I always tell people my favorite credit card list is the pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. So what I like to do is I like to come to this list and I like to see which credit cards I like on this list and then I'll apply for them. I don't care what your credit score is, like the self, they don't care about your credit score at all. It's good for building your credit. You're going to be able to find something on here. Credit builder cards for credit builders. Kickoff is for credit builders. Discover is secures for credit builders. But then we start getting into other cards like the Apple card, the Discover It Chrome gas and restaurant credit card, Navy Federal, Discover, Pedal 1 and 2, Capital One credit cards. It's so many different credit cards on here for everyone. You're going to be able to find one on here. What you should do is just find one that you like. And say if you were to like one of these credit cards, like the Discover is student, you can just click on the name. And once you click on the name, you're going to actually go and check out that full credit card. And this is something that's going to be good for a lot of people because some people ask, what bureau do they pull? How do I find this? How do I find that? The bureau is usually up under the actual credit card video, which is this one here. So the bureau that they're actually pulling is right here, TransUnion. So they're going to do a TransUnion hard pull to approve you. But you can come here and actually check out the full credit card and then see if people were able to actually get approvals, if that's something that you're definitely interested in. But I know a lot of people ask, what bureau? And this is a great way for you to find a bureau. So I like people to find which credit cards they like. Don't think about other people, credit cards other people getting. You shop at Wayfair a lot, you want to get their discounts, then this may be a good credit card for you. You can go ahead and click on that credit card. So you can actually go the credit card name. So you can go to the website. And then you will see again other people that got approved. Somebody got $3,000, 2,500, 2,500. Someone said they was approved for this credit card and they pulled the Equifax FICO. And look right here, Equifax hard pull. So if you still need a bureau for Equifax, say if you want to find credit cards that approve you for Equifax, then this is that card for you right here. You done found it now. And then all you have to do is go back to your previous screen, or you can apply for that credit card because maybe you didn't want Equifax, maybe you want Experian. You're going to be able to find it, but first I want you to really find a credit card that you really, really like. See, I'm a couponer, so I love the Walgreens credit card. So I will personally go ahead and click on this credit card, and then I will see other people that actually was able to get approved for it. Okay, and then I would look right here. They're going to check TransUnion to approve me. Now I know, okay, that's what they're going to do. And that's because I believe this one is with Synchrony. So Synchrony usually pulls TransUnion. And you're going to start learning things like that. Synchrony Bank, you're going to start learning what bureau a lot of these companies pull just by actually just looking around on this website. And that's one of the best things I think I put on there, what bureau they're going to pull, because that's something I always wanted to know. I always try to find credit cards that's on like my best bureau. And then I go ahead and apply for that one. I have braces then. My braces are out now. Tripping. I'm like, what picture is that? Who is that? But all of these credit cards too, the biggest thing is not even what bureau they're going to pull. All of them going to tell you yes or no on whether or not they can give you the credit card without a hard inquiry, which means they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So say if you go to Capital One Platinum MasterCards, you go to their actual website, you click apply now, you actually apply for it. What this means is when you go to their website and you do the pre-qualification, you're going to fill out a small miniature application, and then they're going to tell you yes or no on whether or not they're going to be able to approve you. And that's going to be good because if they say no, then you can just abort the mission. You got to go find another credit card. But if they say yes, then at least you know, oh, I really did want this credit card. They said they can pre-approve me. Maybe I should take the chance of getting a hard inquiry, because you're not going to get a hard inquiry until you say yes on the credit card. So all of these credit cards on here go through that same process. You go to their website, do a mini application. When you do your mini application, they'll let you know whether or not they can approve you. Prosper will actually tell you the amount they can approve you for too. So that's really good. All credit cards are not going to tell you the amount, but they're going to give you the option to actually say yes or no if you still want the credit card after they decide whether or not they can give you a credit card. Even if they say no, they still say you can go ahead and apply for it, but I wouldn't apply for it. If they say no on the pre-qualification, it's not meant for you. Now watch out, some of these credit cards, they can't pre-qualify you, but that don't mean they're the best for you. So definitely look at some of these credit cards, for example, like this Indigo MasterCard. Definitely go to the website and see if there's annual fees, because Indigo, they may give you an annual fee, but some people said they was able to get approved with no annual fee. So that is really good. Somebody said they got 1,500, another person said 1,500, another person said 1,500, and again, zero annual fee. But some of these credit cards, like the Milestone, you want to watch out for something like this, because this credit card, although it say no annual fee, it could sometimes have an annual fee. So all of your credit cards, no matter where you at, make sure you check the annual fees, because I have Credit One Bank on here, Capital One, I got a few with annual fees. Discover, they don't have no annual fee at all, but you may slip up and get a credit card with an annual fee, and that's just not something I want anybody to have. There's no reason for us to have annual fees where we paying to have a credit card. That's just not good. But definitely, no matter what situation you're in, you can come and look at this list and find a credit card that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Once they pre-qualify you, then you can say whether you want to keep it or not. Now, not just credit cards, we have some personal loans on here too, for those people that want to do personal loans. But this is that original list that we looked at. The first one we looked at was the pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. You can also check out the best ones for bad credit, students, the best credit cards in general, travel, the best credit cards to build credit for gas, rewards, cash back. There are so many different lists on here that you can actually click and go into and see if you like any of the credit cards that's actually on that list. Now, this one is for those people that's looking to build their credit, though. And I wouldn't even say, let me say, not build the credit. It's not the build a credit list, because if you want to build your credit, you really want to think about building your credit, you should be looking at this list. If you want to get credit cards just because you got bad credit, this is more of that list, because some people credit is not as bad as others, as you may think, and a lot of these credit cards can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. But again, there are so many different credit cards on this list, so no matter what your situation is, you should be able to get approved for some. Now, also for those people that can't, you having hard problems, maybe you have inaccuracies on your credit reports, I suggest that you guys do this 6 months of free letters, where we can actually email you some dispute letters. All you have to do is follow steps 1 through 5, and we'll actually email you some dispute letters. And when we email you the dispute letters, you should mail it into the credit bureau certified, so that they can work to remove them from your credit report. So definitely check this out for sure. And if you're not already, sign up for my exclusive credit membership. It's $1 trial to get into the membership for 7 days. Definitely check it out, because this is where we can be more hands-on with you and figure out what you have to do to get approved for whatever credit that you want to get. But hopefully this works out great for you guys. I just want to come on and make you guys a quick video, because I realize a lot of people are having questions about which bureau, and I just feel like I should have made it a universal. This is how anybody can get approved for credit cards. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.